Alright guys, Coach Day, and today's video we're going to do the second half of the notes and then you'll work on your assignment. So we already have example 1 and 2 done above. We're going to work example 3 and 4. If you've printed it out, great. If you didn't print it out, just continue these like they're a new set of notes. Now, it says write the equation of a line that passes through the point 4, 3 and is perpendicular to the line y equals 2x minus 4. Well, today we're going to focus on the perpendicular lines. And remember, perpendicular means we need to flip our fraction and change the sign, because perpendicular lines will have opposite reciprocal slopes. So we'll take our point, 4, 3, x1, y1, and we'll take our slope, which in this case our slope is 2, and we have to flip it, so 2 over 1 becomes 1 over 2, and it changes sign. It goes from positive to negative. So this is the slope we're actually going to use. When you have a point and a slope, use point-slope form, so y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. And then you're just going to plug in your values and solve it. So y minus 3 equals negative 1/2 times x minus 4. Distribute, so that's negative 1/2 x plus 2 equals y minus 3. Move your number, so add 3. You get y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. So that is my equation that's perpendicular to this equation. In example 4 says write the equation of a line that passes through the point negative 5, 1 and is and right there should be a D, perpendicular to the line 5x plus 3y equals negative 21. Well, you look, we still have our point, so negative 5, 1 is going to be our x1, y1, but this is in standard form, which means we don't have the slope yet. Remember our 2 steps? We've got to move the x, and then step 2 is divide by y. So for this one, move your 5x to the other side. 3y equals negative 5x minus 21. And then we're going to divide by 3. So we get y equals negative 5 over 3x minus 7. Well, I have my slope, but remember, it's asking for a perpendicular line. So take my slope, negative 5 over 3. We're going to flip it to 3 over 5, and we're also going to change the sign. So it goes from negative to positive. So this is the slope we'll use. Use this point and that slope, put it in point slope. So y minus 1 equals 3 over 5, parentheses, x minus negative 5. So, sorry about that interruption. Whenever we have a minus next to a negative, we change it to plus. And then from here, distribute. So that's going to be 3/5 x plus 3 equals y minus 1. Then we're going to add 1 to both sides to get that y by itself. You get y equals 3/5 x plus 4. And now I have this equation that's perpendicular to that equation, and it goes through this point. I'm going to stop the video here, and then we'll do part 2 on the videos for the backside.